words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
Ban on artificial intelligence, AI. Why it's important to regulate artificial intelligence, AI, is not that much a possibility or even a hypothetical scenario that people can consider. It reached into our life like electricity. But the idea of a ban on AI may seem counterintuitive. After all, artificial intelligence is a technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. However, there are some who argue that AI poses a significant risk to society and should be banned altogether. The model, developed by US startup OpenAI and supported by Microsoft, raised privacy issues, according to the Italian data protection authorities. With immediate effect, the agency said it will forbid OpenAI and launch an investigation. OpenAI said to Western media that it adhered to privacy rules. Since its debut in November 2022, ChatGPT has been used by millions of users. With the internet as it was in 2021 as its database, it can replicate different writing styles and respond to queries in a manner that is natural and human-like. It was included to Bing last month after Microsoft invested billions in it. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook will all have a version of the technology integrated into them, according to the company. Tech titans' concern over artificial intelligence. Concerns have been raised about the possible downsides of artificial intelligence, AI, including the threat it poses to employment and the spread of bias and false information. Elon Musk and other prominent industry heavyweights called for the suspension of these AI systems earlier this week over concerns that the race to develop them was out of control. In addition to blocking OpenAI's chatbot, the Italian watchdog declared that it will look into whether it complies with the General Data Protection Regulation. The GDPR sets rules for the collection, use, processing, and storage of personal data. The data breach involved user communications and payment details, the watchdog reported on March 20th. Due to the same worries, Bard, Google's competing artificial intelligence chatbot, is currently only accessible to select persons above the age of 18. OpenAI was given 20 days by the Italian data protection authorities to respond to the watchdog's concerns. They can face a fine of up to €20 million, $21.7 million, or 4% of annual revenues. As for the prohibition, the Irish Data Protection Commission told the media that it is coordinating with the ban on AI, alongside all EU data protection authorities. Then they will follow the Italian authorities' decision. Earlier, a prominent artificial intelligence researcher, Eliezer Yudkowsky, who oversees research at the Machine Intelligence Research Institute, recently urged that any training of AI systems more potent than ChatGPT cease immediately. A 6-month embargo, like the one demanded in an open letter signed by Elon Musk, Steve Wozniak, Yuval Noah Harari, and other prominent figures in the tech industry, was deemed insufficient by Yudkowsky, who wrote in Time magazine. Arguments against a ban on AI. Opponents of a ban on AI argue that it is impossible to stop the development of this technology. AI is already being used in a wide range of industries, from healthcare to finance, and it is unlikely that this trend will reverse anytime soon. Instead, opponents of a ban on AI argue that we should focus on developing regulations and standards that ensure the safe and responsible use of AI. Another argument against a ban on AI is that it could stifle innovation. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to healthcare. A ban on AI could prevent us from realizing these benefits and could delay progress on critical issues. The question of whether to ban AI is a complex and nuanced one. While there are certainly risks associated with this technology, there are also significant benefits. Ultimately, the decision to ban AI should be based on a careful consideration of these risks and benefits. Rather than an outright ban, we should focus on developing regulations and standards that ensure the safe and responsible use of AI. By doing so, we can unlock the full potential of this technology while minimizing the risks to society.